Oh, they just freaking bum rushed. Sorry. So much for plan.
That was the plan.
Yep. Here, go, 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 go. Up. Up, up. Is there no way that we can get more people going up? Try to creep your way from that side up.
Yeah. Move up from the tree, like run up to that tree.
Hey, you two down there. Try to get some movement going over there.
Hey, yeah, get to me. What?
You, this way with us.
Try and get to that bunker.
That's what I'm saying.
Think you can get there? No, don't try it.
It's suicide right now.
Yeah, there's people guarding it. Literally right in front of it.
Wait, which team has rocket?
I don't know. Probably blue.
Any of us?
Probably blue does.
Probably.
They got the...
Hey, Brady, you two. That bunker right there, see, it's enclosed. So if you guys can get in there and get some cover. Okay, let's go.
Are they in the tower right now?
Hey, do we have eyes in the tower? Tower's clear. Move up on... Get down, get down. You're in open fire, get down. We have too many people in here.
Holy fuck, one of them.
My head hurts.
Guys. Good. From right across, we gotta go straight over there. There's big trees, you guys got covered. Go. Mark, you, go up right there, just right across from us. You guys got big trees. Go.
Where are they at? Tower?
Nope, tower's clear.
Where at?
They're just right across from it.
I don't think that...
Hey, Brady, get up, get crouch. See right across from us, you see that like fence post right there? Yeah. That fence? You think you can get there? I can try to give you some covering.
Hey,
That
no.
kid is going to use that.
Right out in front of us. Here they come.
Guys, push up! Somebody go over there. You guys, stop, you're ricocheting. Go, Brady, go.
I'm not gonna make it there. There's somebody already at that part. And there's no room to get in.
They're way too close for Brady.
See him? Alright, if anything, you can go over there.
I can't move. Hey you, Ridgeline! What do you got over here? Start getting people from the back to push up.
He's moving.
Right out in front of us. Right out in front of us.
They're not calling her up. I swear they don't feel it or I'm not hitting them. Tower.
Right out in front of us. Right out. Wait,
Hang
the
on.
tower?
When I heard.
Stay down, stay down. See, it wasn't Brady who was making those shots. Told you.
Hey, please, you're not making shoot. Or put your gun over.
We're going to the tower.
They got someone in the tower.
Tower!
We got someone in the tower.
I don't think that gun's gonna make it there. Watch this side, Mark.
I'll watch for a flank.
Here, one of you two keep this. I don't have time to put it in. One of you two put this in your pocket.
Right out in front. Brady, right out in front of us.
Where that is.
You see him? You get him?
Holy balls.
Stay down, Robert. Stay down. They got us outnumbered.
Hey, you, get them. Straight ahead in front of you.
We got people right in front of us. No. Okay, guys, you see where he is?
Get down in here.
Hey,
Okay, we got somebody right in front of us and we got two over there. But you guys see that fence line right there? If you guys can get right there, it's a boarded up area.
we'll try to give you cover.
Yeah, if you guys get there, you guys are not going to have the fire coming from over here because you guys got blockage over there.
You gotta be fast.
Nope, he's about. Oh, screw that crap. Hey, you!
Oh, no,
Ridgeline! Do you guys see these people who are in front of our bunker?
I'm almost out.
You got another, shell, don't you?
Moving up on the ridge! On the tower!
Yeah.
They're sneaky. Right on that tower.
Good job, boys. You. Okay, go to that tower. You see where he, the ridge line. You see where he is right there?
Where?
Right across from us. You can see him. He's on our side, right on the ridge line.
Yeah.
Can you make it to him?
Up the tower.
Cover. Let him go. Go.
Cover fire! Oh, shit, got you there.
Oh, the American way.
America.
I think I might be out. You still have your ammo with you?
What?
You still have your ammo with you? Yeah, you see where that? The engine to the guard.
I don't know if I have it in me.
Little corner on the left, that little triangle.
I'm
Take your heads up. I just got
Yeah, I got something.
Right there, Sim.
Try not to
See my
risk
beans are
it.
going?
Ridge, try to push.
Hey, you might want to move that leaf, just in case that's messing with your car.
Crap.
No, the leaf on your gun.
Right there, look, get him. Ready to keep fire on them. Watch for a flank. Watch for a flank. They love to flank. God damn it, cover me again.
Holy shit. Oh shit.
Stay down, stay down.
Right there in tower, you guys see him? He's popping out a little bit.
Tower.
Right there in bunker. Watch this side, Robert, in case they come get safety too.
Yeah, because they can. Actually, I believe
You know how bad it would be if they fucking use that rocket launcher on us right now?
See him, Daniel, top left is the corner right by that.
The barrel's in my way. You're the only place I can see.
Yeah, I believe they can bunker tag us until all.
Hit! Oh crap! I got
There's
hit.
somebody sit over there.
Hit.
Quit bleeding.
Hey,
Yell it.
they're hit! Keep a watch, keep a watch. We should have brought the speed loader. But it doesn't work!
Let me get that ammo.
Is he up in the tower?
I don't know, I couldn't see.
You guys gotta
Robert.
cover me.
Anything in here?
I believe there might be a few shots left. Fucking Cody shot! I know I blasted him!
I know.
Oh! I blasted him, one of those bullets hit him!
How many seconds? I don't know. 360. Next time I come airsoft, I'm gonna bring a funnel.
Watch the ridge. Watch that ridge.
Hey, we got somebody pushing up. Stop.
It's open right now, though.
Okay. Come on, guys.
Take your gun. Take your
Yeah,
shot.
I need this.
Take your shotty. Okay, boys, let's go. Let's just go to our side.